Hi, dear friends. Welcome to Bihok Compulsory English class. We are discussing about the interview skills and techniques. We have seen in my previous video preparation for the interview. Now we are going to discuss on few tips and hints of interview winning skills. First point is refresh yourself on your subjects of UG and PG. Refresh yourself on your subjects of UG means undergraduate and PG means postgraduate. It is quite natural that interviewers would ask you on your field of specialization. Area of specialization is an unavoidable question asked in the interview, definitely. So you have to answer this question positively, no doubt at all. You have to say which specialization do you have at undergraduate level and postgraduate level. For this, you may go back to textbooks and refresh your knowledge, definitions, formulas, concepts, and other related ready references. Whichever degree you may have, no problem at all. In which faculty you belong to, that is no problem at all. Suppose you are from science faculty with chemistry subject specialization. According to your specialization, you have to give answers. If you are from arts faculty with English subject, you should say English is my specialization. But English is a general language. There is specialization in it. You can say drama is my specialization or Indian English literature is my specialization. So that kind of specialization you should know about yourself. So refresh your knowledge by observing textbooks. You should know some definitions. You should know some formulas you have studied, concepts and other related ready references. This is the first point. Refresh yourself on your subject of undergraduate and postgraduate. Second point is entering the interview room. This is quite important thing because this thing shows your manners. Before entering in the interview room, adjust your attire, physical appearance. Adjust your attire. Don't forget to ask for permission in polite manner before coming in interview hall by asking, may I come in sirs, madams, because there are more than one madams and sirs. May I come in? Sometimes students use may I come in, COWMING. So this is not proper utterance. May I come in sirs, madams? That is quite important because you are seeking permission of entering a particular room. Face the interviewers confidently by saying, good day, sir, madams. There is no problem by saying good day to them. You can say, that shows your confidence also. If you want to show your confidence, you should say, or you must say, good day. Good day, sirs. Not to forget to seek permission to sit down. Not to forget to seek permission to sit down on the chair. There is a chair, definitely the chair is for you, but it is not necessary to go directly into the room and sit abruptly on the chair without seeking permission. That shows your arrogance, and that's why you should be careful. Take permission for your seat, and with permission you should sit there. Then self confidence. Pay more attention to express your enthusiasm, self confidence in whatever you say. You should say each and everything asked to you confidently, enthusiastically. Self confidence generates self esteem and self respect. Self confidence generates self esteem, that means self respect. So self confidence is quite essential thing in the interview. And the next point is be well mannered. Your demeanor reflects your upbringings and your culture. So it is good to project an air of humility. Your behavior should be proper one. Your speech should be proper one. You should not use any kind of colloquial language. You cannot put your hand or put your fingers into your mouth. You cannot move here and there each and every time. So your manner should be proper one. Third point is winning strategies of interview. Some do's. What we should do in the interview. Some do's are here. 1. Walk in smartly and cheerfully for the entrance to the interview table. Smartly and cheerfulness. Cheerfulness should be there. Smartness should be there in your walking. You should walk smartly and cheerfully. Second, maintain a moderate eye contact with members while they ask questions. If the person is asking questions and you are just looking here and there and upwards and downwards, not necessary. You should directly look to the person who is asking to you a question. Show your full concentration towards interviewers. You should listen carefully the question asked by the interviewer. So concentration should be there. There are many questions from the panelists at a time, but you should listen carefully all these questions and answer the questions one by one. So attentiveness and concentration is quite an essential thing. Then modulate your voice so that your reply will be audible to every member of the interview board. Your voice should be audible. Do not try to scream. Speak loudly. Guess the distance between you and an interviewer. And speak in only that much sound which is audible one. Answer questions passed to you concisely and precisely. Your answer should be concise and precise. Then be brief. Long winding explanation can only consume time and bore the interviewer. Not necessary to give long answers. You should be brief and precise. Show team spirit, cooperation, organization skills, strength of character, and above all, the strong decision-making ability. Show team spirit, cooperation, We can show all these things through our speech. Strong decision making ability, you should show them if they ask such questions. Then look sharp and energetic. Look sharp and energetic. Full concentration should be there for that. Keep the interviewer's attention and interest in you. They must take interest in you, and that much ability you should show them. Show your loyalty to your previous organization, that you may have left them for unsavory circumstances. A common question asked by the interviewers is, why did you leave your previous organization? This is a common question asked by the interviewers in the interview. If you have done a job previously, why you should left? Why did you leave your previous job is the unavoidable question for you. You may give illustrations such as your own career aspirations, long distance to work, and aspirations for something more challenging. These words should be there in your answers. So be prepared for such kinds of questions already. Be with a cheerful disposition and a pleasant countenance, which hold the interviewer's interest throughout the interview. Then, manners are very important. Some words and expressions reflect your upbringing culture. They are you, yes, please, I beg your pardon, thank you, I wish to state, I would like to draw your kind attention. Such kinds of words you should speak during your communication with them. That shows your culture and your manners. Seek clarifications to question you do not understand. There is a possibility of not understanding the question. This is not a serious problem. There are many students who do not understand the question asked in the interview. You can do it in a polite manner by asking them, excuse me, pardon me sir, will you please repeat the questions? You can ask them. It is very easy. One question may not be understandable, but you should ask them to the interview panelists, excuse me, pardon me sir, will you please repeat the question? In a very polite manner. Then you must make sure that you are punctual. You must report at the venue of the interview at least half an hour before the scheduled time of interview. Suppose there is an interview on sharply 11 a.m. You should be there by 10:30 a.m. and you should report yourself that you are present there. That shows your punctuality. Then be polite to everyone you meet, both before and after the interview. Before the interview and after the interview, to whom you are meeting during the time, you should be polite with them. A soft, pleasing expression with a hint of a smile enhance your personality. Give answers with confidence and with a smile that enhances your personality. So these are some do's during the interview. You should be careful about that. You should follow all these things. Then you will definitely be a successful person in the interview. In my next video, we will see some don'ts at the interview, at the time of interview. Which things you should not do during the interview, that we will see in my next video. Thank you.